when we ask questions to our resource persons via Zoom, it is allowed under our rules na they can be asked questions and they can also participate in a committee hearing. However, in this case of Colonel Acerto, para lang po to set the record straight, siya po ay wala po dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi po namin ma-locate kung nasaan po siya. But when we offered and invited them to join the committee hearing, he has signified his intention to join this committee hearing via Zoom. And since the rules allow that, Your Honors, Mr. President, pinayagan po namin. Yan po ang nakasaad sa rules ng Rules of Procedure Governing Inquiries in Aid of Legislation sa 19th Congress po. Just for the information of the former President. So, kaya po siguro nandiyan dyan yung kung nagtanong po si Congressman Bong Teves kung maaari po bang tanungin si Colonel Acerto. I don't know if he's still online. If he's still online, pwede niyo po siyang tanungin. Just for the information of the former President. Thank you. Please proceed, Congressman Teves.
May I ask to Colonel Acerto kung nandiyan pa?
Comsec, Secretariat, would you know if there's Colonel Acerto in the Zoom? Kung online ba? If Colonel Acerto, kayo po ba'y nandiyan?
Yes, sir. Dito po ako.
Sige po. Congressman Bong Teves, you have 8 more minutes na lang na iwan sa inyo.
Colonel Acerto, good evening.
Mr. Chair, you have to satisfy the requirements of the law or regulation. Tell us why you are not here. Are you sick? Are you half dead? Are you incapacitated? Because you will deprive the other parties participating in this hearing the right to answer or give questions.
Thank you for that suggestion, Mr. President. Yes, Colonel Acerto, bakit po kayo nag-online? Bakit po wala kayo dito physically present dito sa bulwagang ito?
Sorry po, hindi ko po maintindihan.
Bakit po?
Paano po yung audio?
Ulitin ko po, Colonel Acerto. Pwede po bang malaman bakit wala po kayo dito physically dito sa bulwagang ito nang sa ganon ay kayo po'y makaharap dito sa committee hearing ng Quadcom? Pwede po bang malaman kung anong rason?
Ako po ay, Mr. Chairman, ako po ay nagtatanong dahil ako po ay pinapapatay ni dating Pangulong Duterte dahil sa ginawa kong report tungkol kay Michael Yang at Alan Lim.
Kung pinapatay kita, bakit buhay ka pa ngayon? Buka pala.
1 minute suspension.
Mr. Chairman,
1 minute suspension. 1 minute suspension.